Hello viewers, good morning. This is Anjay. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, viewers, Shotao, Assalamu alaikum. Dajahao, Privet, Dhanyavad, Jianu, welcome. Viewers and my students, today we are going to see use of phrasal verbs in speaking. Phrasal verbs are very important. They are commonly used in speaking as well as in academic studies. फ्रेजल वर्ब्स जो है मुहावराती जो वर्ब्स हैं ये जुमलों में इस्तेमाल होते हैं और इनका इस्तेमाल कॉमनली बोलचाल में किया जाता है और एकेडमिक जो स्टडीज़ हैं इदारों के अंदर तालीमी इदारों के अंदर भी जुमलों में सेंटेंसेस में इनका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. लेट्स सी a few sentences constructed with phrasal verbs. phrasal verbs से बने हुए फ्रेजल वर्ब से बनाए गए चंद जुमलों को देखते हैं और इन जुमलों की पहचान करते हैं और प्रॉपर एक्सेंट के साथ इन्हें बोलने की मशक भी करते हैं. आइए पीछे वाइट बोर्ड पे इन जुमलों को देखते हैं. लेट्स सी दीज सेंटेंसेस विद द फ्रेजल वर्ब्स बिहाइंड ऑन द वाइट बोर्ड एंड मेक अ प्रैक्टिस विद दीज सेंटेंसेस. लेट्स स्टार्ट अप हियर. द फर्स्ट वन इज I prefer milk to tea. I prefer milk to tea. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. इस जुमले में prefer to is a phrasal verb. This is very common. This is commonly used in speaking. Prefer to means to give importance. To give importance to something. To give importance to something. I prefer milk to tea. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ. This sentence with the prefer to phrasal verb is commonly used in speaking. It's very common, and this phrase is also taught in academic studies. Let's see the next phrase. Let's see the next sentence with the phrasal verb. Next one is she has full faith in you. 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 उसे आप पर मुकम्मल एतमाद है. She has full faith in you. She has full faith in you. Faith in is a phrasal verb. It means to have complete trust. To have complete trust on someone. To have complete trust on someone. To have complete trust on somebody. Faith in is a phrasal verb and used in this phrase. She has full faith in you. She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल एतमाद है. She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल एतमाद है. She has full faith in you is a phrasal verb in this sentence. Faith in. This phrase is commonly used in speaking. This is a very important phrase, and this phrase is also taught in academic studies. She has full faith in you. She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल एतमाद है. Faith in means to have complete trust. To have complete trust. To have complete trust is equal to faith in. Is equal to faith in. Faith in is synonym of have complete trust. To have complete trust in someone, on someone. Let's see the next phrase with the phrasal verb. अगला जुमला देखते हैं. Next sentence is Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्दारी में माहिर है. Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. बानो तिब्दारी में माहिर है. बानो इज गुड एट नर्सिंग. बानो तिब्दारी में माहिर है. बानो इज गुड एट नर्सिंग. बानो तिब्दारी में माहिर है. इस जुमले में गुड एट इज अ फ्रेजल वर्ब. Good at is a phrasal verb. It means to be expert in, to be expert, to be expert in, to be expert. किसी काम में माहिर होना. Good in is synonym of to be expert, to be expert in. So Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्दारी में माहिर है. Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्दारी में माहिर है. Hey guys, this is very important phrase. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्दारी में माहिर है. Here you see that good at is a phrasal verb. It's very commonly used in speaking. Good at means to be expert in, to be expert in, to be a specialized person, to be expert in, to be a specialized person, to be expert in is synonym of good at. So good at is an easy phrasal verb. Good at is an easy phrasal verb. Let's repeat this sentence again. Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्दारी में माहिर है. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्दारी में माहिर है. Let's see the next phrase, next sentence. And you see next one is Rex walks about and enjoys. 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 Rex इधर उधर घूमता और लुत्फ उठाता है. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex इधर उधर घूमता और लुत्फ उठाता है. In this sentence you see walks about is a phrasal verb. Walk about is a phrasal verb. Walks about is a phrasal verb. It means to stroll here and there. To stroll here and there and enjoy. Walks about is a phrasal verb in this sentence. It means to stroll here and there and enjoy the life. To stroll here and there and enjoy the life. So this is a very beautiful sentence. Rex walks about. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Same as Lena walks about and enjoys. 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 Lena इधर उधर घूमती है और लुत्फ उठाती है. So Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex इधर उधर घूमता और लुत्फ उठाता है. आइए अगला फ्रेज देखते हैं. Next one is Sonia is of the same opinion. 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 Sonia की भी यही राय है. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. यहाँ पे is of is a phrasal verb. Is of is a phrasal verb. This is very smart and easy phrasal verb, isn't it? Is of is a phrasal verb. It's very easy and smart phrasal verb. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. Sonia is of same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. Is of is a phrasal verb. It's very short, very easy, and very interesting phrasal verb. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है. आइए अगला सेंटेंस देखते हैं. Next one is Anne enjoys playing tennis. 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 Anne tennis खेल कर लुत्फ उठाती है. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne tennis खेल कर लुत्फ उठाती है. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne tennis खेल कर लुत्फ उठाती है. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. एंड टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। एंड एंजॉयज प्लेइंग टेनिस, एंड टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। दिस इज अ gerund sentence. Gerund is a playing is a gerund, and enjoys playing tennis, and enjoys playing tennis, and टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। and enjoys playing tennis, and टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। and enjoys playing tennis. David enjoys playing tennis. David enjoys playing tennis. David enjoys playing soccer. David enjoys playing soccer. David enjoys playing tennis. David enjoys playing tennis. David टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाता है। David enjoys playing soccer. David सॉसर खेल का लुत्फ उठाता है। So Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। Hey guys, these are very interesting phrases. Memorize these phrases. Let's repeat these once again. आइए एक बार इन्हें फिर से दोहराते हैं। Let's start here. First one is I prefer milk to tea. 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 मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ। I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ। I prefer milk to tea. I prefer milk to tea. मैं चाय पर दूध को तरजीह देता हूँ। Next is she has full faith in you. She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल इत्मीनान है। She has full faith in you. She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल इत्मीनान है। She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल इत्मीनान है। She has full faith in you. She has full faith in you. उसे आप पर मुकम्मल इत्मीनान है। And next is Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्तारी में माहिर है। Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्तारी में माहिर है। Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्तारी में माहिर है। Banu is good at nursing. Banu is good at nursing. Banu तिब्तारी में माहिर है। And next is Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex इधर उधर घूमता लुत्फ उठाता है। Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex इधर उधर घूमता लुत्फ उठाता है। Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex इधर उधर घूमता लुत्फ उठाता है। Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex walks about and enjoys. Rex इधर उधर घूमता लुत्फ उठाता है। And next is Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है। Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है। Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है। Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है। Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है। Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia is of the same opinion. Sonia की भी यही राय है। And last one is Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. Anne enjoys playing tennis. And टेनिस खेल का लुत्फ उठाती है। Hey guys, these are very interesting phrases. Make a good practice with these phrases. Memorize these phrases and subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to leave your comments. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.